Stuck staring at a blank page trying to name your business? Most beginners spend hours brainstorming names and still feel unsure. Coming up with a business name that clicks can take hours, but AI can do it in minutes. I typed this prompt into ChatGPT. Pause here if you want to copy it. In seconds, you get a list of 20 creative names with taglines ready to use. You can tweak them to fit your style, but this gives you a fast starting point instead of staring at a blank screen. But having a list of names is not enough. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to turn these ideas into a full business identity, making sure your branding, positioning, and offer all align. It is delivered in 5 step-by-step episodes so you won't feel lost or overwhelmed. You will also get bonuses like the secret no funnel method for getting your first customers fast and the AI strategy call to help finalize your business identity, all included. Stop struggling to name your business. Let AI generate ideas in minutes. The AI Business Builder Challenge guides you on turning those ideas into a real business, all for just $17. Grab your spot through the link in the description and get started today.